Greetings, dear Goenkans. Welcome to your mathematics class. Dear Goenkans, as you know that we are doing our chapter number 9, that is time. And today in this class, we will learn to read and write the time in half past. So refer to your mathematics book on page number 133. So dear Goenkans, half means 30 minutes. Past means after. Thus, half past means 30 minutes after the last hour. In half past, the minute hand is on 6 and the hour hand is exactly between any two numbers on the clock dial. Now, example, this is a clock dial. This is the face of the clock. This is the short hand. This is the long hand. Now in half past, the long hand is on 6 and the short hand, that is the hour hand, is exactly between any two numbers, and here it is between 4 and 5. So this clock is showing the time of half past 4, that is 4:30. All right, my dear little Goenkans. So the minute hand is on 6. Look here. The minute hand, that is the long hand, is on 6. Then the hour hand exactly between 4 and 5. Look here. The hour hand is exactly between 4 and 5. So we read the time as half past 4 or 4:30. We write the time as 4:30. Now, my dear little Goenkans, let us solve our exercise number 1 on book page number 133. So here we have to write the time shown on the clock in two ways. Now here the long hand is on 6 and the short hand is exactly between 2 and 3. So the time is half past 2, or we will write it in the digital way, that is 2:30. Then let us come to the second clock. Here the long hand is on 6. The short hand is exactly between 11 and 12. That is half past 11, or the digital way is 11:30. Alright, my dear little Goenkans. Here in this clock, the long hand is on 6 and the short hand is exactly between 9 and 10. So it is half past 9. And the last clock shows the time of half past 5, because the short hand, that is the hour hand, is exactly between 5 and 6. So the time is 5:30, or we can say half past 5. Now the second question is, draw the hands of the clock to show the time. So what you will do, the first clock is telling to show the time of half past 6, that is 6:30. So you will draw the long hand on 6 and the short hand, that is the hour hand, will go in between 7 and 6. Look here, I have shown this here. Then half past 4, or we can say 4:30. So the long hand, that is the minute hand, that is it will go on 6. Then the short hand, that is the hour hand, will be exactly between 4 and 5. So this is 4:30. In the same way, you will mark 12:30 by showing the long hand on 6 and short hand between 12 and 1. All right. Then you have 10:30. The long hand will be on 6. The short hand will be exactly between the two numbers, that is 10 and 11. So it is half past 10 or 10:30. All right, my dear little Goenkans, I hope you will do your work on book neat and clean. So half past means 30 minutes. My dear little Goenkans, I'll get back to you with one more session on time. Till then, goodbye and take care.